Class 11th Commerce. Subject Business Studies. Name of the chapter Business Services. It is lecture number 4. Postal and Telecom Services. I am continuing. Some were done in previous lecture. Let us move forward. Point number 3, it is parcel. Parcel, it is a service of postal administration for sending books. Now listen, there are the examples that I have written. There can be many more things, whatever are allowed by the government to send the things by parcel, by speed post. Parcel is a service of postal administration for sending. It can be books, it can be garments, it can be cell phones, etc. etc. Means any other things also through the post across the country as well as outside the country. Parcel means a packet. That packet is known as parcel. And see what happens whenever the things, any goods, any material is sent through parcel. Some extra charges are charged by the post office, and that amount is to be paid. That amount has to be paid. It is generally one of the less expensive ways to ship packages. Ship माने भेजना. Generally, it is very reasonable way, less expensive way that the goods can be sent through parcel, and packages those who are very heavy, they are easily sent, they can be easily sent by parcel, by regular letter post. Parcel is a service of a postal administration for sending books, garments, cell phones, etc. through the post across the country as well as outside the country. It is generally one of the less expensive ways to ship packages that are too heavy to be sent by regular लेटर पोस्ट. मैंने जो चीजें रेगुलर लेटर पोस्ट से भेजना पॉसिबल नहीं है, those things can be sent through parcel. Point number 4, it is speed post. One thing I tell you, whenever we have any examination, board examination, practical examinations basically, as soon as the practical becomes over, the sheets where the students write, they are sent through speed post. It refers to the postal facility where the mail reaches addressee as fast as possible. Means it is very fast service, and really it is very nice also. Under this facility, post offices provide time bound and guaranteed mail delivery of letter, important documents, etc. Means whatever the document that you feel that is very much important, that can be easily sent through speed post. पोस्ट ऑफिस चार्जेस मोर पोस्टेज. पोस्टेज होता है बेटे टिकट वगैरह. पोस्ट ऑफिस चार्जेस मोर पोस्टेज फॉर स्पीड पोस्ट देन ऑर्डिनरी मेल. मीन्स इन ऑर्डिनरी मेल नो मोर postage is required, but when the matter is of speed post, in that case more postages they are required. The postal charges vary according to the distance. The more the distance, the more the postal charges. Point number 5, courier services. Service is provided by private post offices for sending and receiving letters, documents, parcels, etc. Means this service also is required. It is also, see, this service is comparatively cheaper than the services provided by post office. It means this service is done by private post offices. It is written on the top, even see. Service is provided by private post offices for sending and receiving. Many times we also use this courier service. This service is comparatively cheaper than the services provided by post offices. Post offices means these are government post offices, and when the matter is of courier services, the activities are done by private post offices. Telecom services. Which is point number 6. Telecom service. It is heading number next, not 6. It is heading number next. Telecom services है बेटे. Cellular mobile services. These are all types of mobile telecom services, including voice and non-voice messages, data services, and PCO services. Cellular mobile services में these all the things, the services they are added. Point number 2, radio paging services. Radio paging services is an affordable means of transmitting information to persons even when they are mobile. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा पुलिस वाले लेके रखते हैं ये रेडियो पेजर्स अपने पास में. So they keep on giving information, they keep on getting information from each other about heavy traffic or lower traffic, whatever is the situation of the traffic. See, radio paging service is an affordable means of transmitting information to persons even when they are mobile, means they keep on working, they keep on doing their work, and they keep on giving the information to each other. Point number 3, fixed line services. These are all types of, they are of fixed services including voice and non-voice messages and data services to establish linkages for long distance traffic. These are known as fixed line services. Point number 4, cable services. These are linkages and switched services within a licensed area of operation to operate media services. And they are really, which are essentially one-way entertainment related services. Point number 5, VSAT services, very small aperture terminal. It is a satellite-based communication service. It offers businesses and government agencies a highly flexible and reliable communication solution in both urban and rural areas, means at any place these services can be utilized. Point number 6, DTH services. The meaning of DTH is direct to home. DTH means direct to home. It is a satellite media service provided by cellular companies. One can receive media services directly through satellite with the help of a small dish antenna, as we all have at home. So there, I hope that you people have got this thing. And a setup box. Setup box रहता है, dish antenna रहता है, plate के जैसा दिखाई देता है. With the help of that, we keep on getting all the entertainment programs which are given by the cellular companies. And now see, there are some names I have written. See there, Airtel, Tata Sky, Dish TV, etc. They all offer direct to home service in India, DTH. And now listen to your homework. Write and learn today's topics, whatever they are done. Thank you so much.